Welcome to the video tutorials of mekanizmalar. Reciprocation motion mechanisms play important role in many devices and machines we use. There are countless solutions to the reciprocation motions, and each has some advantages in unique application they are used, but weakness in the others. Here is an ingenious reciprocation mechanism which allows smooth transition of motion from one direction to the other. We called this mechanism long-stroke reciprocating mechanism. This is because it belongs to a family of reciprocation mechanisms where stroke can be as long as we desire. This is unique characteristic of this family of mechanisms, even though they are not simple mechanisms to build. As you can see, we have two similar yellow internal and red external gears. Here the red gears are the usual gears we know. However, the yellow gears build in such a way that there are two half-circled sections joined by horizontal racks. One of the red external gears connected to a motor and it is the driver gear. The other gear is free to rotate, and it is not powered. Notice that the yellow block holding the external gears has grooves on both ends. The reciprocating shaft has two cams sliding in these grooves when yellow block is moving up and down, during the reciprocation motions. Also, a shaft passing through the yellow block joins these two sliding cams. Therefore, the reciprocating shaft consists of three sections. Two round shaft at both ends, two cams attached these shafts, which joined by a rectangular cross-sectioned shaft sewn in here. Two black pins shown in here alternately enter a groove located at the middle of the yellow gear block. This prevents the yellow gear block sliding downward during the reciprocation motion. Thank you for watching our videos.